If you are looking for somewhere to learn engineering statics, or you're studying engineering and statics and you're struggling and you're looking for somewhere to get extra help and crush your exams, you have definitely come to the right place, guys. I want to introduce to you my free statics course. It's here on the website engineerforfree.com/statics. I have over 70 video tutorials covering everything you could possibly see in first year statics. So each of these videos here, they're broken up into category, and each one is about 5 to 10 minutes long, just discussing different topics that you're going to see. So the first chapter here is talking about vectors, just to make sure you're comfortable with that, adding, subtracting, scalar multiplication, unit vectors, stuff like that, cross product. From there we move into two-dimensional static equilibrium, which is the bulk of every statics course. So we just talk about what is statics, what are free body diagrams, how to draw them, start talking about tension and ropes and pulley systems, and have a bunch of examples in here. The next chapter is moments, so we get into what are moments, what are force couples, and talk through a couple different examples and reactions and stuff like that, and equivalent systems, which is definitely going to be on every statics exam you'll ever see in your life. We move into some examples here with friction, and then also 3D statics. These problems are beasts, but we go through exactly everything. For example, we can open up one of them. They get pretty complicated, but there is lots of stuff in here to dig into. And again, each of these videos are on YouTube, and you can check them out and go through each example. Each video is around 5 to 10 minutes, and if you add them all up, I think the whole course is like the total playlist length is around 4 hours. So honestly, if you're in a statics course, if just take a weekend and just go like from start to finish through everything, or a couple weekends, and I think you'll be crushing your exams. For example, we have the next thing here with trusses. I do videos that explain the methods, for example, the method of joints or the method of sections. So I have a whole video here just talking about what is the method of joints and what are we doing here. And then we go through a couple examples where we actually plug in all the numbers and go through and solve everything. So you'll be a total expert in trusses, honestly, if you go through all of these. There's a chapter here for frames and machines as well, and centroids and distributed loads. So lots of stuff in here. For example, triangular loads on beams and stuff like that. We're going to be able to find the reactions. All of these things are going to be coming up in exams, and if you just do it here, you can watch and rewatch and do some of the practice problems, and you'll definitely be in a really good shape. There's a section down here for shear force and bending moment diagrams. These videos are going through like putting everything in terms of x as you move across. So for example, here's a complicated example with lots of different point loads and distributed loads and stuff, and we're going to be drawing this shear force diagram and bending moment diagram using virtual cuts as we go across. And then if you want to get a little bit quicker at it, there's another section here at the beginning of the structural analysis course where we have 10 more examples on shear force bending moment diagrams, doing it the fast way. So this is like a graphical method where you can just rip through really quick, and you can actually skip a lot of the work, and you can crank these things out pretty quickly following this method. So again, 10 more examples here. So hopefully that is useful as well. So yeah, that is the playlist on the website. This is on engineerforfree.com/statics. If you prefer to go straight to the YouTube videos and to the playlist, it's right here. You can go through and just jump into any video here that you want, and you can get an idea of what's in the thumbnails. But to be honest, I kind of prefer navigating it on the website because it's split up into chapters. Now, there are also a bunch of practice problems here. For anyone who's interested in supporting my work on Patreon, we can jump in here and get extra practice problems. So in here, again, these are also split by chapter, and there are tons of practice problems in here. Honestly, if you go through and you work through all of these practice problems, you're going to be a complete beast, and I don't see how you cannot do well in your class if you work through all of these. So again, more on shear force bending moment diagrams and all sorts of statics problems. Let's just open up one here so you can get a rough idea of what it looks like. For example, this one. So if you are a Patreon member, and you click on any solution, you're going to get the full worked solution completely annotated with everything that's going on, how to solve each part, and sometimes commentary on what's going on and why I've done certain things. So those are the practice problems. And then also, if you're interested, for Patreon subscribers, you can get a PDF printout of all of the videos. So here is the downloadable PDF with this. This is just like a printout of each of the videos that we have here. So if you just want really quick reference from, I don't know, to just see what was going on in each video, I've got each basically transcript here from every single statics video, and this is available to all of the Patreon supporters as well, which many people have asked for, and I think it's been super helpful for a lot of students. So yes, guys, if you are studying statics, definitely come check this out. If you want to learn statics, definitely come check this out. My really strong recommendation to you if you want to use this is literally start at the beginning and just watch every video in order, because later in the playlist, I'm assuming that you've seen this stuff before, and all of the videos do build on each other as they go down. And if you do take the time to do it, you can even put them on 1.5x speed or something like that, and get through really quickly. But if you do have the time, also work through the examples as I'm doing them and try out the practice problems. And to be honest, you will ace your statics course if you do that. And if you're already in statics and you've fallen behind and you're struggling, again, I would say like your course is all the way up to frames and machines or something, but you're struggling, I'd say just take a weekend, go back to the beginning, start with vectors, go back through 2D static equilibrium, moments, just do everything. And then by the time you get back up to this in my videos, you'll have so much practice and have gone through so many examples that you'll not be struggling with these sorts of things, and everything should be moving a bit smoother. So anyways, guys, good luck. I hope you like them, and please do share these videos with a friend, because I think lots of students could definitely benefit from this stuff. All right, see you guys inside the videos.